We want to build this land we call Fiji, to let all races live in peace and harmony, to build a future for our children, a future safe and sure, one that will endure forevermore. So let us all work together, Fiji. Let us unite to build a nation of one great family. Together, hand in hand, we can prosper in this land. Several races.
The flag represented the law of the Kingdom of Fiji from 1871 to 1874, when Fiji was ceded to Britain. Cession Day, Saturday the 10th of October, 1874, began with black clouds and heavy rain. At 2 p.m., sailors from the warships formed up at the Cession site earlier.
One that will endure forevermore. So let us
High Chiefs of Fiji hereby give our country Fiji unreservedly to Her Britannic Majesty, Queen of Great Britain and Ireland, and we trust and repose fully in her that she will rule Fiji justly and affectionately, that we may continue to live in peace and prosperity. And we, desiring these conferences may terminate well and satisfactorily, request Her Britannic Majesty's Ambassador unto us, Sir Hercules George Robert Robinson, to confer with our advisors who have our confidence in these matters.
one that will endure forevermore.
Kibuana maramambali nanti kepertadia. Osabia varete kena bibi kena lulu benalamau. Nanong sabaro seli nanong kubunua kena nong ya tali dondonga. Sabobe wala talangan nanong kubunua. Karandrau nong dolu saya lihat. Karandrau nong dolu ciko ngawa merambula ciko kamarau. Osaba katanya ne wawango. Nanong kilolo malebu kibuana marambal nanti kepertania. Kaya na tu barsanya kami na TV ti talaga. Kami na wana na bana sama-sama lawan ni nongko banua. Kinambula menaka, kinambula marau. Kena bayi bakatoro rata ke kinambula sautu. Isa na nongko banua membau nonu.
After conferring with Mr. Wilkinson, the King desired the Chief Secretary, Mr. Thurston, to convey to His Excellency the gist of his words. Vakambal then takes the club from the bearer, walks forward, and hands it to the governor, who receives it with a slight bow of acknowledgement.
I accept this club in the spirit in which it was given, and I shall convey it to Her Majesty Queen Victoria, along with His Majesty's sincere and heartfelt wishes.
Build a future for our children, a future safe and sure, one that will endure forevermore. So let us all work together, Fiji. Let us unite to build a nation of one great family. Together, hand in hand, we can prosper in this land. Several races, one nation, one destiny. Several races, one nation, and free. We want to build this land we call Fiji.
I now declare Fiji to be a part of the British Empire.
To build a future for our children, a future safe and sure, one that will endure forevermore. So let us all work together, Fiji.
Now is the time for all to see that we can live in harmony.
From now on, we'll walk together, side by side. children will follow. Now is the time to believe.
We can build the way the world should be. We can shine our light for the world to see. Fiji, ever Fiji, let our voices ring with pride. For Fiji.
Wabin pinakatakan ko ni nanumikay mamimay na batunggo. Pinggara pipinakan sa takapso na matan ito. Kita po pinakatakan na bibuk sa ando ito may nabiriralengat to. Pero okay. Ilip sarara tu po kasar may vikito yewar. Kita po pinakatakan ko ni doon na numira. Doon na kanong doon po pinakakan yung reda tsuk na TV. Siguro nga tsuk na richo. Nakanibibuk kila ko tsuk na bibon mo eso. O po pinakakinabali o bikim ni. Wabin pinakatahan na kasada kapag na matinto ng ulan ni ko. Yung sari na kinay sayang. Yung sabi na ka nga, dito ka nga nakalonyo. Kung doon doon, aslit ko na bibaklaw na taki. Kasi nga nakalo, kung na siniratin doon ka. Mapakangan na nung nabusan, hindi na pa niniwa. Kung na sinimula na kita. Inanunumikin na siya kung ay nabingaw na. Inalabit siya kaya naman na po nung datukin. Naman dato sa taki na po nabinak. Na po nasali ako sa gubit. Sana pa pinabinakatak. Hindi may marutak tali cukup doon na yung baki binaka maramon pa marutak cukup kinanelonda hindi rin na bay kasa taga busung naman nito wir sarman nang anangon wir naman mulumin na bay sivit era saklihat cukup na bay bukid matan nito na kaya binaka wir kapag binaka kinabay kami hindi ako ada tak cungan ako lo ni sambulat cukup kabel cukup na kandang na bay sin